This is English Language Arts Review 2 for Grade 7, Semester 1.
The topics covered in this review will be vocabulary, a summary of courage in the water, the past tense, subjects and predicates, labeling parts of a paragraph, and writing an organized paragraph. Okay, let's match the vocabulary words to their definitions. Ali, you can do the first one.
Encountered, came across me.
Came across or met. Very good. The next one.
Jovial, happy and cheerful.
And who do we think of when we say jovial?
Jovial,
Excellent. Okay, Tala.
Perseverance, keeps trying in spite of obstacles.
Very good. Yes, Lua.
Adamance, weather.
Okay, very good. Next slide. Some more vocabulary. Okay, who would like to give me a sentence with one of these words? Yes, Hamad?
He encountered the finish line in the marathon.
He encountered. What did he encounter?
The finish line in the marathon.
He encountered what?
The finish line in the marathon.
In the marathon. Okay. He encountered the. Okay. Can someone give me a different sentence with encountered using like an obstacle or something else? Yes. Muhammad Ali.
I encountered Mrs. Hanan in the soccer field.
Okay. Can you give me an obstacle using the word encountered? Like where you encounter an obstacle, and give me an example. Abbas?
I encountered a lion in the zoo.
He encountered a lion at the zoo. Was it outside of its cage? Okay. So usually when you encounter something, it might be something like an obstacle or something that gets in your way. Okay? Jovial. Go ahead, Tala.
She had no idea what made him angry 1 minute and jovial the next.
She had no idea made him angry, then jovial. Yes, that is confusing. The next one, go ahead, Joel.
In spite of all the dangers that the soldiers face, they preserve to defend their country.
Okay, they persevere. The soldiers persevere to defend their countries. Okay. Elements.
He concluded there was major elements missing.
Okay, very good. Can someone give me one with the elements as weather?
The elements were thrown off on the children sitting outside in the pool.
Okay. The elements were rough on children sitting outside. Very good. Okay, the next one, Ali.
Cheers in the football match.
Okay, they cheer or we cheer.
In the football match.
He cheers in the football match. He cheers. Okay, students, we read about courage in the water, and I'd like for you all to look at this table and tell me how we can summarize by using this table. Let's fill out the table together. Characters? Ali.
Ali's dad.
Ali's dad.
Doctor.
The doctor.
And Eddie.
And Trudy. Okay, any other main characters? Or these are the good ones? The most ones mentioned? Okay, so you don't have to mention all characters that are in the story itself. You just have to worry about the main ones, okay? Setting. Yes, Salwa. Okay.
Time 1925, France and England.
Okay, time 1925. Could you also say ocean or English Channel? You can say any of these, it's fine. Okay, so it's not just one main answer, you can have more than one answer. The plot. The plot tells us the main what?
The main events of the story.
Excellent. Can you give me some main events that happened in the story?
Yes, Ellie got the measles and it affected her hearing. She got inspired from Trudy. She met her.
Ellie's hearing was affected by the measles.
She got inspired from Trudy.
Okay, she read a newspaper article about Trudy. And was inspired. And finally, what did she do? Very good. Okay, so she swam despite her disabilities. Like who?
Like Trudy. Yes.
Like Trudy. Famous swimmer, right?
Yes.
And what was she famous for also? As being a swimmer who is what?
She was partially deaf when she was a child because of the measles.
And but was she the best deaf swimmer or was she the best what?
She's the best swimmer
Even compared to who?
She's the best.
Excellent. So, of 5 people who were men who crossed the English Channel, she was the first one, and she was partially deaf. Very good. And she beat them. Excellent. Yes, Ali. The theme. Okay. Can anyone tell me the theme? Ali, you want to say it? Okay, go ahead.
We should never give up. We should always persevere to reach our goal.
Okay, so we should never give up. And we must persevere to reach our goals. Did you enjoy the story?
Yes.
Do you feel inspired by her?
Of course.
Excellent. Great. Okay, now let's look at the past tense. When you think of the past tense, what do you think of? What comes to your mind first?
In the past.
Abbas. ED. Excellent. ED. And do we always see ED in the past tense?
No.
So when do we see ED?
Regular.
And when don't we see ED?
Irregular.
Excellent. Can you give me some examples of some regular and irregular past tense verbs? Yes, Muhammad?
Irregular verbs.
Have. Okay, what does it become?
Have.
Excellent, Muhammad. Yes, Ali.
Be.
Oops, I just erased the slide. So you had. You said beat. Ali, you said beat?
Yes.
Beat is in the past tense in irregular form. Okay, yes?
Shake.
Shake. And then what does it become? Shake. Shake becomes shook.
Wake.
Wake, what does it become?
Woke.
Woke.
Take.
And give me some regular examples.
Missile.
Yes.
Late.
Played. So we just added ed. Yes. Anyone else? Cooked. Which are the easier ones? The regular or irregular? Regular. Tala? Both are easy?
Yeah.
That's good.
Rain.
Rained. All right. Okay, let's do this next table. On the past tense also. We have the affirmative, negative, and interrogative forms of sentences here. One is given in each row, so we're going to transform it to the other types. Who can do the first one? Yes, Joel?
In negative, he didn't write a book.
Excellent. He didn't write a book. Interrogative form. Lua?
Did he write a book?
Okay, very good. Yes?
He sang.
He sang. Excellent. He sang.
Yes.
Ali? Interrogative?
Did he sing?
Very good. Did he sing? The last one, Linda?
She was pretty.
She was pretty. Tala?
She is not pretty.
She?
She wasn't.
Okay, she was or she was not pretty. Very good. Subjects and predicates. What is the subject? What is the subject? You forgot? Yes, Linda?
Is a person, thing, or place.
Person, place, or thing.
Subject usually does the predicate.
Okay, it's the thing that does the predicate. And what is a predicate?
The predicate is the thing that the subject.
Yeah, it's excellent. It's the thing the subject is doing or the action. It's the action. Action of the subject. Now let's look at the sentence.
Mrs. Hamza, sometimes a verb because.
The action of the subject is a verb. Or you can say if it's a verb, like if it is, it's all considered, a verb is considered the action. So both are correct. Okay, so Mr. Morton walked down the street. I'm going to ask you what the subject is here. Ali?
The subject is Mr. Morton.
Excellent. So here's the subject. And what's the predicate? Yes.
Walked is the predicate.
Okay, walked is the simple predicate, and the complete predicate would be walk down the street. Okay. Very good. So we would call this the complete predicate. What does this hamburger mean to you? Yes, Ali.
The hamburger helps us to do a paragraph.
Okay, so the hamburger is like a paragraph.
The hamburger wants a part.
Okay, it has parts.
And the paragraph wants.
Okay, so it has parts or layers. And what's the top part of the hamburger considered?
Introduction.
Okay, introduction. And the bottom? The bottom part, yes.
Conclusion.
The conclusion. And the middle layer, the hamburger itself, the meat, the body. Okay, and what about the other things in between? Like, what do you see in between? Okay, they're supporting details. Okay, so here the lettuce is a detail. Here the mayonnaise is also a detail. And the more details you have, what do you get? Juicier burger or a juicy paragraph? Okay, excellent. Students, you were asked to write a paragraph about your previous year. So you could have talked about anything to do with your school last year, wherever you were at. So who would like to give an example of their paragraph? Let me start with Linda.
My previous school was eyesight. It was amazing. I loved my school because we used to play and bond. They taught us how to persevere. And Dr. Muhammad Lutfa was my inspiration in science and technology. Everyone at school was jovial. They used to cheer for us students. It's the best school a person could ask for.
Beautiful. Thank you so much. And she used vocabulary words. Excellent. +5. Lian?
My previous school is LESC. In my previous school, we used to wear blue and white costume, and on Friday we have one break and only 6 periods. We have many trips like Kids Mondo, Faraya, and Ant Camp. We would have a Christmas party at the playground, and Independence Day we sang to Lebanon. And we wore the Lebanese Army flag. But moving to ISI was the best decision I ever made, and it's the best school ever.
Excellent. So did you notice that in both these two examples, your friends started with an introduction?
Yeah.
And ended with a conclusion?
Yeah.
And had a whole bunch of details?
Yeah.
So they totally deserve to have a hamburger.
Yeah.
Okay, good luck on your quiz tomorrow, students. You can do it. Good luck.
Good luck.